So this is Xanadu, the father of all of my babies. He's my only breeding male at the moment. Until his son, Coral, yes, you bubblegum pink boy, until Coral is of age, and then he will be my other breeding male, and I'm going to buy a different breeding male this year. Anyway, I want to show you guys why I have a certain sticker in Xanadu's enclosure. Here he is. I just cleaned out all of his substrate, disinfected his tub, gave him new flowers. This is old. I'm going to give him another new paper towel roll. You see how angry he is? Oh, you're so angry. He was like so flat a second ago. Like his whole neck was completely flat. Sir, it is not that big a deal. Like it was even more than that, but that's why he has. Sorry, sir. I know. Oh, there we go. There we go. I am not trying to do this on purpose. He's just very sassy. During breeding season, it's breeding season. Look. Whenever he hit puberty, this sass became the norm. And that's why you have the pancake sticker, because you're always making pancakes. Okay, I'll stop bothering you. I'm sorry. And he's in a 12 quart because he literally will not eat in anything bigger than this. Trust me, I've tried. Even though he put some weight on this year. Well, and last year too. He's gotten a little bit bigger, so I may try to upgrade him later this year. But I just wanted to show you Mr. Pancake Boy, father of pancakes.